Today, I unbox Strike Freedom. Perfect grade. Don't forget, I have my 300 subscriber giveaway to this channel. So once I hit 300 subscribers, I'll be doing a giveaway of the entire Dragon Ball Mecha collection. Hey guys, Tom here, and this is Not So Average Builder. And today, well this morning, I've got something awesome. Are you ready? That's right. We're going to do the unboxing today. Kind of look around. Let me get this thing off the table because there's no room, and I'll just pull out the sprues. Already went over the stickers. No one cares about those. Look at the beam saber. Look at that. Oh my word. And then the stand is down there below. So there was 3 sections of runners, and there was a lot of those in each one of them, which is amazing. Now we can kind of flip through the book that they give you. This is more of just like a references book and all of those things, which is kind of cool. It tells you, if I could read Japanese, would probably tell you why the Strike Freedom is the way the Strike Freedom is. I was telling you battle strategies. It's basically going over what happened in Seed, my guess. Oh, and you've got all the data sheets on those, so it looks like the Strike Gundam. There's the Justice Gundam. Oh, and then you've got the Astray, the X Astrays, the Seed Destiny Astray. I didn't know there was one of those. The Delta Astray. You got the Seed Frame Astrays, the Seed Versus Astray. So it gives you a bunch of information that is illegible to people who can only read English. So I've got to brush up on this. But this is where you put your decals. That makes sense. I was wondering why they would give this, but you've got your decal marker locations. Okay. I really need to find some water slides. Construction manual. This isn't even instruction manual, it's construction now, because you are basically building a small building. Look at this. Page of runners. Oh, more page of runners. Tells you what you'll need. Oh, I'm so excited. Look at this. So this thing is going to start very soon. That's 4 pages for the legs. Oh, and this shows you, oh that's cool, it shows you what runners you're going to need for what you're working on. So that's pretty neat. So that'll keep you from having all 14 million runners out on the table trying to work on this. Look at that. For the head, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 runners. 6 of them. 6 runners for that thing. Oh, this is so awesome. Yeah, this is going to stand about this tall, maybe taller, I don't know. I'll find out once I built it. Guys, that is all I've got for right now. I'm Noah that I said in my last video that I would do more face-to-face, but it is 7 o'clock in the morning here. I've got to go to work and I've not taken a shower yet, so this hair, I'll just give you a little taste. Well, I'm sure it's rough. I don't even know if it got on camera, but it was rough. It's just everywhere. But I wanted to get this out here because I want to get started on it Meanwhile, I can finish up other projects and just kind of do, you know, other videos on those as I'm going. But yes, that is all that I've got this morning. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope that if you haven't subscribed, you'll consider subscribing to my channel to watch the Strike Freedom come to life. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a like, and if you want to, drop a comment. If you've built a perfect grade, or if you've never built a perfect grade, just kind of drop a comment below and, you know, see what you'd like me to do with this. Color schemes, because I'm not going to leave it. It's going to be 100% painted. It's not going to be out of the box stock. It's going to be 100% painted, maybe some customizing and all those things. Don't forget, I have a Patreon account. It is patreon.com/NotSoAverageBuilder, and that'll be right there. And that is a way to help me monetize my builds, to make money off of them, all those things. And don't forget, this will be for sale once it's done. I have an Instagram, Facebook, all of those are at NotSoAverageBuilder. Can't even say my own name. So if you'd like to check those out, go ahead. I just hit 500 followers on Instagram. Don't forget, most importantly, I have my 300 subscriber giveaway. It will be on this channel, only this channel. Once I hit 300 subscribers, I will be giving away the entire Dragon Ball Mecha collection, and that'll be right up there. That is all, guys. Have a wonderful day.